som skött i Jyväskylän Keskustie 24, Jyväskylä Staircase B.
Yeah. It's too boring. From 1961, whereas it was originally ValmetSchlieren. 50 boards up with the capacity 3% 4 grams. That's right. Turning 60 years old this year, 2021. Was an early ValmetSchlieren.
Mm.
But it was modernized already 20 years ago the next year, 2022. And it will be inspected again. And yeah, this is Keskustie 24 Keskustie here in Jyväskylä. Keski-Suomi versus Finland. But this was not important.
Yeah.
But we know that this was also early ValmetSchlieren here.
Yeah, it is why it was still a bit important.
Oh yeah. And it was 61, not 62.
Yeah. One of the last it's from 1962. 1961.
Mm. Yes. And that one was by Hissipalvelu R&R.
Yeah.
80,000.
That's